Well, hello everyone. I wanted to show you my almost 2-year review. I've had about a year and a half, a little over a year and a half, review on my Philips Norelco Multi Groomer all-in-one trimmer series. I'm going to take everything out and then just show you how I use it, or how I've been using it. It comes in this bag. It comes with this cord. Right, so it comes with this cord. It works with this cord, and it also is supposed to work 3 hours without it. I haven't had any problems. I just charge it I use it a couple times a week, and I just charge it probably every 2 weeks I'll charge it. So what I do is I actually keep them separated in these little baggies here. So these are the groomer attachments and the brushes. Here's the charger itself. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, I really like this. It works really well for me. I just use it to trim my beard. I just keep a close shave. It's not like a blade shave, but just like a close, I guess, stubble cut. I don't know what you exactly call it, a 5 o'clock shadow cut or whatever. But so this is pretty much the unit here. My only complaint is when you plug it in to charge it, there is no charging light. So I wish you would think that would be a charging light, but it's not. There's no charging light on it, so you just go by faith that it's actually charging, and it has been. I haven't had any problems with it, but just so you know, there is no charging light, and that is pretty much my only complaint. It has good strength. I'm going to turn it on now. You can kind of hear it. That's what it sounds like. And these detach, you're going to probably see a lot of hair fall out because I haven't washed this recently. They say you can wash this whole thing with water. I usually don't do that. I just take this out and I just dump out the hair here. You can kind of see it runs off of that. These clips, they clip in pretty easily. You just click them in like that. Click them in like this, and then you push down. So there's the unit, and then also here's the clips for if you want to cut your hair with it. And here are the beard attachments. Okay, so this doesn't need any blade oil. So you can use this for trimming your face, your head, and your body. I have some video of me trimming my beard. If you wanted to trim your hair with this, you can try it, but I would probably get an actual hair clippers, the heavy duty ones for your hair. It might work, but I don't think it's going to work as fast as dedicated hair clippers. So you can kind of see how the guards would be. They just kind of click into place. I would say this would be more for body grooming and grooming or clipping your beard, trimming around your face. Actually, if you want, I can show you. I will trim my arm right here. I'm going to trim my arm. There might be some hair falling out. But you can see it cut body hair okay. When you trim your face, if you have thick hair, like you'll see on mine, it's not like a blade shave, but it gets down pretty close. So again, it has a bunch of different attachments. So here are the different attachments for your hair or body. And then here are the other attachments. Again, they say it's an 18-piece, so you have your regular thing, which I use for my beard. This one's a little smaller to get a little more defined. So you can see the difference in sizes there. Okay, and then it also has this one if you want to do detail work around your sideburns. So 3 main blades there. Okay, so you can also put this on for your nose or ears. You know what, I don't really use this, but I felt like it tugged a little bit on my nose hairs. You can give it a shot. Again, the main use for me is I cut my beard with this. But they snap in easily. So you're supposed to be able to do your nose and ears with that. You can kind of hear it. Comes with this brush. And then again, all these different attachments for hair and body. So I hope that helps. For my purposes, for trimming my face, I like this, and also for body grooming before I go to the beach, I will use that. And it's a good, strong little groomer for the price. It works well, and it's lightweight, easy to use, has a little bit of grip here. So I am happy with it. I think it works well for face and body grooming. I don't know if I would use it, and for beard, I don't know if I would use this for my actual haircuts, and I don't use it for my actual haircuts, so I hope that helps. Here you have it, a 1.5 year review of the Multi Groomer. Thanks for watching.